Matanya ma Kenya megie kuregerio kwa mawatho na mitaratara iria ikoretwo igathikitwo ya kuhitana na gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19 mauma iguru o nginya riria President Uhuru Kenyatta ariirie bururi na kwanirira mitaratara mieru.
Good afternoon, fellow Kenyans.
Tariki 27 mweri wa 3 mwaka wa 2020 nirio watho wa andu wa kwaga kuma nja mathaa-ini ma utuku wambiriirie guthingatithio umuthi nirio thikũ 21 iria ciongereirwo tariki 16 mweri wa 5 igukinyaga muthia. No ndumiriri-ini yake muthenya wa umuthi mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta nianiriire kuongerereka gwa thikũ ingi 30 cia watho uyu.
Dusk to dawn curfew, currently in force until today, the 6th of June 2020, is extended for a further 30 days. Commencement time for the same shall be varied from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., with the end time for the same being varied from 5 a.m. to 4 a.m. Therefore, effective 7th June 2020, the nationwide dusk to dawn curfew will run from 9 p.m. in the evening to 4 o'clock or 4 a.m. in the morning.
Hamwe na mitaratara iria ikoretwo igathikitwo ni kuhingurwo gwa kaunti ya Nairobi, kaunti ya Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale na kaunti ya Mandera, President riu akiheana mutaratara mweru.
The cessation of movement into and out of the Nairobi metropolitan area, Mombasa and Mandera be further extended by 30 days.
Matura ma Isiri kaunti ni ya Nairobi rodumwe na Old Town kaunti ni ya Mombasa watho wa andu kwaga kuma na kuingira wirigirirwo gugathira rucio mathaa-ini ma thaa 10 cia rucini. Kaunti ya Kwale rodumwe na kaunti ya Kilifi watho wa andu kuma na kuingira wirigirirwo gugathira rucio mathaa-ini ma thaa 10 cia rucini. No kaunti ya Nairobi, kaunti ya Mombasa rodumwe na Mandera andu maguthio na mbere na kunyitia mecibi ya kwaga kuma ona kana kuingira kwa ihinda ria thikũ 30 hamwe na mitaratara ingi iria igathikitwo ni watho wa andu kwaga gucemania mari kimumu watho uria wongereirwo kwa ihinda ria thikũ 30.
That in the meantime, the ban on all forms of gatherings, including but not limited to political gatherings, social gatherings, including bars, be and is hereby extended for a further 30 days.
Na hari ithabu-ini ria o muthenya rigie ndumiriri ya aria manyitikanite na murimu wa COVID-19 rigikinyeria 2,600 thutha wa andu angi 126 kunyitikana na murimu uyu, nacio ikuũ igikinyeria 83 o ne thutha wa andu angi ana gukua rungu rwa mathaa 24.
Mungu awalinde, asanteni sana.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Jerry, Wawa Boy.